We talk football essay. Welcome to Talk Football Essay. Right here, you are talking to just number 10, Moses Mabasa. I'm joined here by Niki Mtunga. Good evening, sir. How are you?
All in order, sir. How are you?
All in order, sir. But ingathi khona into engeke ngathi ayikho ku-order la. Nawa ama-legends e-South African football, lawa sithembe bona. Khona ama-negative comments bawakhulumile ku-media circle or ku-social media. Njengamanje ama-supporters abusy ayanwevana lapha ngalento le ukuthi uthini lo and mawubheka lama legend la is one of the biggest and respected legends in the football circle. Lama negative comments bawakhulumile or uthini ngawo?
No, jersey number 10 la inkinga esinayo.
Yeah.
Yabona khona inkulumo yake yakhulunywa uJacob Zuma president.
Yeah.
Wezwe. Umongameli wezwe. Wathi uJacob Zuma kwakuyi State of the Nation address kunesixhakaxhakanyana. Wathi democracy is very good. Because it gives you an opportunity to express yourself.
Yes.
But it's also very dangerous because it exposes you to the masses to see what kind of a person you are.
Yes, democracy, when you have got the freedom of expression.
Yes.
But lento you express in a cause a war or hatred or anything.
Because it exposes you to the public to see what kind of a person you are. Let's if you allow me, let me go back.
Yes, continue.
A few months ago, I think it was, we were approaching 15 games or we had just gone past 15 games.
Yes.
Orlando Pirates was flying and Mamelodi Sundowns was winning. And then Dr. made negative comments, of which instead of, he said, I want teams to challenge Sundowns when they are good, when they don't have problems. Now teams are challenging Sundowns because Sundowns has problems. Meaning Orlando Pirates must wait for Mamelodi Sundowns to win the game. These problems that we never knew about at Mamelodi Sundowns. We never knew that Sundowns had problems. We heard that from Dr. Kumar. The legend that I respect, I still want to meet him even today. But he dented his image there. Yeah, I will say I still get the same man, I still but now he wrote, he exposed himself to the public of what kind of a people they are. Because this thing goes the same as Sibombule when he said, I fawa mtutulen. As a player, you don't speak like supporters. You don't compete with supporters. You do your job, you let it, same like Macho, you do your job and then you leave the talking to the supporters. Though you can say something, but you keep quiet because you're a professional. Now, Mbule needs a job from all this team, but he said, I
remember.
Kale AEX le label then AEX nomi label iyafakwa wola mthuthu le ifakwa yiwo wonke umuntu le. Wonke umuntu uyayifaka le.
Yeah.
Kwagcina sekuthiwa iChiefs wola mthuthu. Manje uDr Khumalo legend khuluma njenge support. Matlo current player ukhuluma njenge support.
Ayibo.
Sabuya. Masisuka uDr Khumalo. Seza ku nayo le game ebidlalwa la yini ekade idlalwa abafana la yokuvalelisa la eOrlando.
Yini Nicaragua.
Yeah, iCaragua leyo noma iCaragua abanye bathi Caragua abanye bathi kodwa khona kuno Caragua. Yeah. Uyitumele Nkhune ekhuluma ne-ETV wathi ngibona ama-support e-Pirates ehwaza uzwane boo. Ehwaza uzwane mangabe uzwane etuthatha ipenalty agcina sithatha uFoster naye bambhuwa futhi mayigeja babhuwa nomfana lo umlungu. Yeah, yes, uBradley Cross. uBradley Cross abantu mabethi mlungu thiwa bathi boo. Yabona mabethi mlungu ngaleso sikhathi uyitumele Nkhune.
Yes,
a very good legend.
yebo.
He says it's Orlando Pirates supporters.
Why?
Who told him? Because it was Bafana Bafana there.
It's not cheap.
Then now I don't like it, but now they cause it because now people are mocking him on social media. One other guy even said something that I didn't know, that on TikTok, that Itumeleng Khune only won 4 derbies out of 28.
Imagine.
And then he played a clip. He put a clip there where Happy and Khune were in studio saying the same thing, that Khune only won 4 derbies. So now they are digging things, and then now we have a different perception of them, whereas we respected them as legends.
Exactly.
This, yeah, okay.
Because now khona le point oyikhulumile lapha ukuthi lama legend lento bayikhuluma bamele baba careful because it dent their image from the supporters.
Yes.
Because supporters respected them too much, but maya bazokhuluma into eso unfabricated stories.
Yes.
You know what will happen? It dent their image. Now the respect from the supporters to them will no longer be there. Will no longer be there according to how what you said, everything that they said. Because you can't say it's Orlando Pirates who were Orlando Pirates supporters or Sundowns supporters or maybe Skoku supporters who were booing the players there because they were not there as a team,
you know what's happening?
But as a national team.
Yes, it's denting their image, and we didn't know Doctor was jealous. We didn't know Khune was jealous, but now we know.
Yes.
The same thing applies to Junior Khanye. Junior Khanye said it live on his on Junior Khanye TV. I saw that video. He said the game against Orbit College was sold.
Yes.
Yes. How do you say that? As a legend, yes, a professional. If it's some will say
who knows football,
yes,
who is respected in the football fraternity.
Some will say Junior Khanye is not a legend. Okay, if he is not a legend, he is a media personality.
Yes.
He is the most watched online analyst.
Or second,
the highest paid online analyst in South Africa. That is Junior Khanye.
Yes.
So he says Orlando Pirates bought the game. The same applies. Now I have a different perception of Junior Khanye. The same applies to Jerry Skhosana, the Orlando Pirates legend himself.
Aibo.
Jerry Skhosana said the same thing. He said those players were playing, they scored own goals and they were laughing. And people are saying those boys were laughing, but I never saw them live. There is something that you say, hey, my God.
Yeah.
Out of frustration, out of anger, out of being sorry, you say, ish. We are one. So, but I didn't even say that the young man who was signed from Orlando Pirates. And then Jerry Skhosana is an Orlando Pirates legend.
Exactly.
I will never, someone will say, because people underline, I said Jerry Skhosana is a Pirates legend. That was the S came in by mistake.
Yes.
But people, they underline those things.
Underline.
And it's a freedom of expression, freedom of speech.
Now,
yes.
Now.
But no, let me finish here. So Jerry Skhosana said the same thing.
Yes.
That the players scored goals. Their Pirates win, but you know how they won it. Let me stop there. And he was very angry. And I know why Jerry Skhosana is angry.
Okay, what?
Let me say this. Jerry Skhosana is one of the players that I respect. Even now, after he said this, but I still respect him. It's out of frustration. Legends think that their teams owe them.
Yeah.
Jerry Skhosana had a contract at Pirates. He got paid.
Yes.
But when you listen to him talking about Pirates, he thinks Orlando Pirates owe him.
Exactly.
Because recently, just a few months ago, I saw him on another podcast. I can't remember the name of the podcast. He said, Orlando Pirates, they were talking about the goal scoring problem, that the strikers are not scoring.
Yes.
So he said, Orlando Pirates now doesn't allow us to come closer to the players, unlike before when Leslie Manyatela was still playing, where we were allowed to go to the training ground and train. Now, I want to tell you, Sigama Razor, Reason, Jerry Skhosana, Legs of Thunder, washa igoli le kwaquleka uJohn Zaki ehlele ebhenchini kwalwa amasupporter elwa wodwa. Siyakuhlonipha ngalokho. Know that not everyone is a good public speaker. Sometimes you just have to say, you reserve your comment and say, hey, I know comment Orlando Pirates won, congratulations.
Exactly.
Yes, because now I will not be surprised if Orlando Pirates never invite you to any of their events. Orlando Pirates doesn't owe you a cent. You owe it to yourself to show Orlando Pirates that you deserve to be called to Orlando Pirates. All the legends, Dr. Khumalo, Itumeleng Nkuna, that Orlando Pirates, at one stage were thinking Orlando Pirates was going to sign him, and they didn't sign him.
Yeah.
Orlando Pirates doesn't owe him.
Maybe they're bitter.
Dr. Khumalo, there was a chance that he could sign for Orlando Pirates at the beginning of his career. But then Kaizer Chiefs was a step ahead.
Yes.
To Shincha Kuluva, his name is Shincha Kuluva. Shincha Kuluva wahamba phambili kwakuvele uEliakim Pro Khumalo babakhe kwakumdlalo weChiefs wamsayina uyabona. Yebo. Right, kodwa do not be bitter to Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates, I think they deserved it. They are the team that they showed from the beginning of the season that they wanted. They are the only team that they scored the most goals. And I don't think Orlando Pirates got 68 points against Orbit College.
Yes.
Mbutuma pressed that guy.
Exactly.
The goalkeeper was pressed by Mbata and the other guys.
Yes.
And he misjudged the flight of the ball.
That's what
went too far in, and then when he punches,
but it resulted in your own goal.
Yes,
that's
even
pressure from the opponent.
Yes, at one stage, I think it's last season or the season before, where Kaizer Chiefs was playing against Amazon.
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs equalized through an own goal by the goalkeeper.
I know.
Ofori.
Yeah.
He took a ball from outside and then put it inside the net. Then Amazulu scored. It was 2-1.
Yes.
And then Ramam Pahlele, who previously played for Chiefs, scored an own goal.
Yes.
So that was, and those were own goals.
Own goals, yeah.
But now I think the legends and the players, the legends and the current players, they must know their position, that they are professionals. Whatever they say should remain professional. Because now, even Kuna will come out like Dr. Khumalo and say, no, I was misinterpreted.
Yeah.
How can we misinterpret now? Like now I'm saying, it's possible that Jerry Skhosana may never be invited.
By Orlando
and then now Jerry Skhosana is being mocked on social media.
I've seen that.
His grandchildren will be mocked at school as well.
Yes.
Because of his mistake.
Himself.
Yes, you see, exposed because, like I said, what Mr. Jacob Zuma said, freedom of speech is very good.
Yeah, very good.
But freedom of speech is also very dangerous because it exposes you to the people to show what kind of a person you are.
The character.
Even when you are working for a company.
Yeah.
Some work for companies and then they say these people owe me. If you are working and you don't build yourself a house, you don't fund your school fees for your kids.
Exactly.
Yes, you don't love your wife enough in such a way that they will leave you at one stage. Then you blame the company that you work for. I worked for this company. But this company, they did nothing for me. Yeah. But they were paying you every month.
What do I do with the money that you
Yes. So the same applies to...
I got your point.
Yes. So the same applies especially to Jerry Skhosana. Yeah, the others may be jealous because they played for the opposition, maybe. Or maybe they are just bad speakers.
With the legend from the same team who criticizes the team after when he was supposed to applaud the boys to motivate the number of us. We applaud the CNZ because he was one of the legend babonile ama video akhe madlale Orlando Pirates.
Yebo wayidlala ngenhliziyo yakhe yonke.
Sokuzama negative comments from umuntu respected legends on that particular team. So irrespect yakho isuka saying ingekho much. Even the supporters, you have exposed yourself, the character. As you said, with some legends, they have that tendency to say they think the team owes them something, whereas they owe them nothing.
Yeah.
So tell me here. So don't you think that maybe it's just issue of publicity?
Yeah.
It's a publicity. Maybe
no, they already have names. Like I said, I respect you, Itumeleng Nkuna, so much.
Yes,
as a player, I respect Junior Kanye so much. He played for a little time, but what he did on that time, is on top.
He's on top. Yes,
I respect him again for being the highest in terms of numbers, in terms of analysis, he's the highest
Yes, exactly.
in South Africa and maybe in Africa or the world. I don't know.
Yeah,
Yes, you see. I respect him for that. I respect Dr. Khumalo for being a Khumalo. You know,
Yeah.
Khumalo amantungwa.
Amantu.
Yes, I like him in that way as well.
Yeah.
Ubaba omncane usashona intsephe sasimbiza ngensephe baba omncane. Wathi yena uze abantu bemthengela utshwala wayengabhizi nakangako ngotshwala kodwa wayephuza bayijabule ethi hayi besisekhaya kunomsebenzi udoctor ube khona nginamafoni ayengakabikho uthi shota phela ziphi ithombe ejabule ngiyamhlonipha nangalokho udoctor ukuthi uyintungwa uyabona yes Jerry Skhosana ke uthi umele uthi uJerry Skhosana ngifuna nokukhuluma ngaye uJerry Skhosana Orlando Pirates supporters didn't like him. At first, when he came, they were saying he's jealous. They were saying he's fighting. Orlando Pirates supporters hated him. But he did it by himself. He took it upon himself. Even during the first round of the final, they were mocking him, whereas Mark Bachelor missed some chances. Yeah. But they were blaming Jerry Skhosana for missing chances. Yeah. But he went to Abidjan and scored the winning goal. And then he carried on. Then people started loving him. Like,
after that goal,
he worked for this name that now he is tarnishing it by himself. You see, he worked very hard for this name, and I respect him. So, if Jerry Skhosana, you can get a platform, or anyone from Tembisa or who has Jerry Skhosana's contacts, just go to the guy and tell him.
Yes.
Or Jerry Skhosana, if you see this video,
yes,
just go out in public and apologize. Don't say I misinterpreted. No, we cannot misinterpret you. Just go out. I respect you so much. I used to work at the airport.
Yes.
I met Williams Okpara.
Yeah.
I met Kevin Lane.
Yes.
I met Paul Ndlang.
Yes.
I met Roger Fetumba. I met Rafael Chuku. Rafael Chuku even gave me a roll of halls. Yeah. I didn't eat those halls for the whole month because I was given by Rafael Chuku. Yes. I met Thabo Mook. I met Brian Baloyi. Yes, I met Steve Kompela when I was working at the airport.
Some legends, yes.
Yes, I met a couple of... I missed Jerry Skhosana because Jerry Skhosana had a car that would, as soon as he come out of the tunnel, that car will take him quickly. Oh, so I never met Jerry Skhosana. Yes. But even today, I still want to meet Jerry Skhosana. Yes. Even after this saga, I still want to meet him and tell him there, no legend, you were wrong for 30 seconds. Yes. And then move. Yes. And say, thank you for playing for Orlando Pirates.
Thank you very much.
So he needs to come out in public and apologize. That's all.
Yes.
Dr. Khumalo, I know you didn't apologize. You tried to be political. But you owe Orlando Pirates supporters and an apology.
Exactly.
Junior Kanye, you owe Orlando Pirates an apology.
Yes.
Yes. Also, players, lastly, I'm repeating myself.
Okay.
Players, agents, legends, club officials, they need to behave like professionals that they are.
Exactly.
And then leave the talking to the fans.
The fans.
Reserve your points, reserve your suggestions,
your comments.
Yes,
But
just to preserve your name.
As a player.
Yes, yes. That's what I want to say.
That you've created in that particular team or in that country or in the league as a whole. Because league, negative comments like this, the supporters will erase them.
Jerry Skhosana didn't score too many goals, but he scored important goals. Yes.
Yes.
When Orlando Pirates needed a goal, he showed up and scored a goal.
Even on the dub where Pirates won
4-1, he scored three goals.
3 goals.
Yes.
And we came back to another game again. He scored that solid goal.
Last minute, Mark Williams had scored, and then he scored on the last minute.
Imagine.
Yes.
So much negative comment like as legends. Respect the legends. Respect your dignity, your reputation,
yes.
From the football sector.
There are things that myself as a professional.
Yes.
That I cannot say. I run a radio station, Umsinga FM.
Yes.
I work for a big company, Fezile Security Services.
Yes.
I work for We Talk Football SA.
Yes.
I work for we have Newcastle Football Academy.
Yes,
that we also run. Yes. So I have some comments that I cannot say.
That you can reserve.
Yes, I reserve them to myself. So professionals, need to start behaving like professionals, learn when to say something, when not to say something, when to keep quiet. You have a right that when a journalist asks you, say no, pass that question, or you just say no, the interview is over. It's your right as a professional, but they always want to say something. They always want to say something. Then that puts them badly. They should learn from the likes of Kaizer Motaung. They never respond negatively.
Yes.
The likes of to Dr. Ivan Khoza. I'm not sure if I said Dr. Kaizer Motaung. Did I say? If I didn't say, I'm sorry. Dr. Kaizer Motaung. They never go wrong. Dr. Khoza was criticized by
a lot,
even by another club official who criticized him on social media. But Dr. Khoza never said anything. So you should learn from such people.
Exactly.
They say you cannot blame your past that you are not educated. Life teaches every day.
Thank you.
Can I repeat that?
Repeat it again.
You cannot blame your parents, blame yourself, blame the conditions you grew under that you are not educated. Because life educates every day. Know when to reserve your comment. Know when to voice out your comment. Know what kind of a comment you can say. Know what kind of interviews to entertain. Some interviews don't deserve to be entertained. I am Nigan Mtungwa on We Talk Football SA.
We Talk Football SA. Reserve